we're done. This is just a remake of the old video because Dad made a mistake and it was far too cringy. So let's get into it.
Okay.
Remember to subscribe and
Yeah.
watch our other channel and hit that notifications button.
And we will do a vote.
And leave
to
a
see
comment.
if we should open our gamer channels next time we're down here or the next time we're down.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Well, welcome to Virtual Daddy. My name is Jason. I've got Cedar here in the blue, in the light blue, and I've got Matisse here in the dark blue.
And you got Luna in the
And I've
purple
got
dress.
Luna in the purple dress. Okay.
And got the teal dress.
All right. Arms down. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do some plaiting. I just tried to do a video and we messed it up a little bit.
And you're going to post that.
We might post that as an
No,
outtake.
post that out.
Okay. So what we've just done, we've just had a shower. So what we're going to do is we've just washed and conditioned the hair and brushed it to get all the knots out. And it's quite easy to brush when it's wet. So there's perhaps something you can do in the shower. And what we're going to do, we're just going to do a simple plait tonight. We're going to do some more videos in the future where we're going to show some braiding. We're going to do some princess braids. Cedar is keen on an Anna braid from Frozen. Matisse loves Elsa braids from Frozen.
Don't give it away.
So that's some of the things that we got coming up. So what we
Maybe gamer channels.
maybe okay, we'll see. Okay, arms down, please. All right, what we're going to do first of all, we're just brushing all the hair to make it nice and flat, nice and smooth, and brush it back towards the bottom. So we want all this front hair as well to be kept nice and smooth. Okay, once we've done that, all right, I'll take you through my little. I've got a little bag for all the stuff that we use. So we're going to use a purple one today. What do you think, Matisse? So we just got these are just disposable hair lackeys.
They were just stuck together.
This is another thing.
Look at my face.
Yes, this is another thing I've got in my basket. Just some simple clips. You can buy them from supermarket.
Like in our last video.
Yep, they're good for separating hair when you don't want to work on a bit, and detangling spray. I'm not recommending a particular brand, but it all works pretty good. Okay, so all we need for this is a brush and a hair lacquey. Turn around. All right. Now, the important thing is that we need to divide the hair into 3 bits pretty evenly. So we want, right, centre, and left. And we want to make sure that when we do this, that the hair that we haven't got too much hair crossing over here, because that just makes it a little bit messy, and it can make it a little bit painful. So in this case here, I've got this hair needs to go on this side. So tilt forward a little bit, please, Matisse. Thank you. You can do this with a comb, whatever works easiest. I just find using my hands. So we've got 3 parts now. Now what we start off doing is I start off on the left. That's what we're going to do. So we just, first of all, just bring that over. Keep your finger in between so that you keep them separated. Okay, and we hold that there. We grab our brush, and then what we want to do is just brush all this hair so that all the hair on the head is nice and neat and tidy. We bring all those stray hairs back into the centre and lay them down between your fingers.
Ow.
Sorry. Okay, so we've done the first crossover. So the hardest part about plaiting is the starting. Next, we grab what we can do here with this one from the centre. We just put it over the shoulder, and then we do the same thing. We bring this one here from the outside. We bring it over the centre with our finger in the middle. Give it a bit of a twist, and then we just hold that there. And we do the same thing on this side. We just brush all this hair, get it nice and smooth. Are you enjoying this, are you, Matisse? No, don't be too silly, please. Okay. Alright, so now that we've done those, we've done outside to the inside again, and then we just need to keep repeating this all the way down. Okay, so then what we do is we grab this one from the shoulder. Again, we give it a little bit of a brush just to smooth it out, get all those strays back in. Okay, and what we do is we bring that back into the centre. Okay, head forward a little bit so everyone can see what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to go all the way down, just repeating that. So outside over middle, and just try and keep the hair smooth as we go, outside into the middle. Okay, now this is probably a good time just to bring that one back into there. Right, we'll hold them there, and you probably want to try and take notice of my hands, because the hardest bit that I found when learning to plait.
Ow, ow, ow!
Sorry. I know, I'm trying to be very gentle.
This is what happens when sometimes you don't brush properly. It's common, and your child just could have a sensitive scalp. Just keep this in mind that if you're filming something or you're just doing this, you might want to try some detangling spray.
Yes.
Keep your child comfortable.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Cedar, for the advice. Okay, so what we do is we've brushed those three and we just go back. So I find I just hold, try and keep track of my hands here, how I'm holding them. Oops, sorry. Hang on. So I've just got a little loop here.
Ow!
Sorry. Got it out. Okay, and then we can again go outside to inside. Outside to inside. We go all the way down to the end. Outside to inside. Outside to inside. Outside to inside. Outside to inside. And then if we get every now and then, just give it a little brush just to keep everything back in line. That helps keep the plait nice and smooth. You want to try and keep a little bit of tension on the plait as you go, which is, so step forward, Matisse, don't step back please. So if you keep it just a little bit on this, you're not pulling too hard, but just so that you've got nice tension to keep the plait nice and even. Right, so the purpose of this channel of Virtual Dad, I just want to, give dads out there a little bit of a resource so they can,
And then mums.
and mums, yeah, and mums as
like
well.
Sisters or cousins or anything.
Yeah, anyone really. But I'm a single dad. And I've got two beautiful, lovely little girls, and they like having their long hair. Yeah, basically, we just want to give a resource for people to learn how to do plaiting. And braiding and doing hair, but also we're going to have a lot of other things on the channel as well. Just some resources out there to help people get by, and we'd love to hear some suggestions, or some people have got some suggestions about ways that we can do things, because we always like to learn as well, don't we, girls?
Yeah.
So yeah, if we got things you can do, and so we'll just put some of the activities that we enjoy together as a family up, and yeah, this is really some of the first ones. So we're now at the end of the braid or the plait, so it's nice and long. So we hold the end just where that's just above where the plait ends, and we just open the hair lacquey up with 3 fingers, put it around, and all you want to do is just cross it over and just keep going around and around till you run out of lacquey, essentially. Now with these disposable lacqueys, the easiest way to get these off is just to snap them. Try not to do it too close to your little girl's head, because they do have a bit of recoil and can hurt a little bit, but it's certainly a lot easier than trying to pull them out, because that does pull the hair and make it quite uncomfortable, and then they're less likely to want to do this again. So that's it. Nice little plait done. So we happy, girls?
Finally, it's finished. It took so
Okay, say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye,
Goodbye
everyone.
from Virtual Daddy.
Remember to vote whether we should start our gaming channel sooner or later.
Bye.
Bye.